Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're doing quite well and you're super fantastic. So this video is about Vercel deployment process, and in this video I'm going to tell you super simple, most efficient way how you can deploy your application on Vercel absolutely free. So when you're ready, we can begin. Let's get started. Alright, so let's get started. So I'm going to open GitHub and here my GitHub accounts. So I have no repository because I recently created it. And here let's go to start deployments. Actually I open vercel.com and then start deploying. I'm gonna continue with GitHub because right, I have created an account on GitHub, but if you want to use some other service provider like GitLab and Bitbucket, you can easily do it. The process is same for all service provider. So let's click on continue with GitHub. And by the way, I'm not going to tell you anything about a Vercel CLI in this video. Like, we will be connecting our repository with GitHub deployment process, and we will be making the automatic process whenever we push something to the master branch, and things will be deployed automated to the Vercel server, right? And if you want to use a Vercel CLI, just comment me in this video so that I can make you video, but I think it's not that hard. You can figure it out and you can easily do that. So let's continue with GitHub, right? So let's authorize the Vercel. Alright, cool. So you can there see the templates right here, right? And this panel is blank because we haven't created any app yet. So let's get started and deploy our first applications. I'm gonna deploy Next.js application. You can use Next.js, Sketchway, or anything, right? So this is just demonstration video, so I'm gonna quickly start with Next.js. Just click on Next.js, and now just continue with the personal account, and then be using GitHub. Let's close it. Just select GitHub accounts and this will open. So I'm giving the access to all repositories. You can customize later as well, so no issue, just install. And it is asking for my password, so just confirm password. And repository name you can give anything. I'm just giving Next.js creative project repository. Now let's make it Serverless, no issue. You can customize later and deploy. It might take a while, depending on internet speed. So let's wait until it's installed and deploy the projects. And you can see here the log. It's deploying our application to serverless platform. Congratulations. So we have deployed our first application. Let's click on visit, and you can see our application running on this. It looks weird. Next video I will tell you how you can connect your custom domain with your created application. But let's back to GitHub. Let's refresh it. By the way, let's go to the home page, and you can see we recently created this repository. You can see this in a GitHub. Click on it, and here's the things. Let's go ahead and clone this repository and make some changes locally and see how things work. So I'm gonna clone it using SSH. So let's back to the terminal and git clone. And alright, now cd into Next.js. Next.js, and open it using VS Code. Alright, so let's make a new feed and see how things works. Right, so initially I have only index feed, so I'm going to open it, and you can see my Next.js project. So I'm gonna save as and save as contact. Let's make contact. All right, so let's push these changes. Alright, let's back to GitHub. Let's refresh it. As you can see, as soon as we make some changes and push to our production branch, and you can see here the build is running. And you can also check here, let's back to this and click on it. You can see just now, and it has been deployed successfully. So let's back to our front end and let's refresh it, and let's open the page we recently created and contact, and you can see. Alright, so we have successfully created our first front-end application, which is we created in Next.js, and we also connected it using the Vercel. In next video I will tell you how you can link your custom domains like xyz.com.